All right, all set? Great. All righty, 2 big claps if you can hear me. That was probably the best one I've heard all night. All righty. Today, now before we get going, can somebody come up here and show me how you would throw for something if you were trying to be accurate, throwing, a dart or throwing a ball versus throwing if you wanted to really let something go and let it throw it as far as you can. So Rachel, come up here and show the class. If you were going to throw, just pretend you have a ball in your hand and you're going to throw accurately at something, what would you do?
I'd probably maybe point to it.
Yeah, you can.
Step and then follow through to it.
Yeah, you can also do that. But if you're going to really, say you want to throw the baseball over the green monster from home plate, how would you do it? What would your body look like? Right, you would step and get your whole body into it, throwing from, really getting all your body, your lower, your legs, your drive, and then really getting that high release and letting the ball go as far as you can. So we're using our whole body. First, if I'm throwing for something for accuracy, like say the bottle on the table right there, I wouldn't want to go like this because there's a lot of moving parts and I can't really control how I'm going to throw. So maybe I would modify how I would throw. I would still step with my opposite foot, but maybe I would aim it more and point right to my target. So what we're going to do now is, the object of this game is going to be, it's called Knock It Down, okay? It's a fun game, reminds me of the carnival, going to things, you could, try to win the prize, stuffed animal, okay, for your family or whoever. So what we're going to do today is, we're going to get in teams, okay, one big team today, you're all going to get your own ball, all right? We're going to stay behind this line here, all right? And we're going to be throwing for distance, trying to knock over the 3 objects on the table on the far end. And then we're going to be throwing, modifying our throw, okay, and throwing for accuracy. Try to really pinpoint hitting the 2 bottles and then the big jug in the middle, all right? So what we'll do is, come on up team, grab a ball. Grab a ball. All right, and you notice that all the balls are different shapes and sizes, okay? So what I want you to do is, every time I want you to throw with a different ball, okay? So let's say Ellis is up first. When she throws her ball, she can pick wherever she wants to throw. Doesn't matter where. But after she throws it, she's going to run as fast as she can to go retrieve the ball and sprint back, all right? You guys are allowed to throw. Once she throws and gets it, the next person jumps up and they're ready to throw. Okay, after you go, you run, retrieve your ball, run back as fast as you can. And when you kind of get back in line, you can switch with a partner, switch with somebody else in your team with your ball. Yes?
Can we throw the ball while they're going to retrieve it, or do we have to wait until?
Nope, that's fine. Nothing here is really going to hurt. The balls are soft enough. I think we'll be all right. Yes?
Am I trying to get it in their side beam?
Nope, I want you to try to knock them all out. Sorry, yeah, let's knock them all down.
Okay.
Try to knock them all off the table. All right?
Do you want us to try for a closer one the first time and a further one the second time, or can
It's
we
up to
guess?
you. Whatever you'd like to do. All right, I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to try to knock all these down as fast as you can. I'm going to time you guys, and I'm going to keep an eye on to see how, see how you guys are doing, and see if I can offer any pointers. Ready, set, go. Now go retrieve it. Go. Up. You're up. Go ahead, throw
While she's
whenever
out there?
you- Yeah, sure.
Oh,
All right.
that was a lot.
Oh.
You go.
I have a little ball. That goes always with a fire.
Oh yeah, we have to switch balls.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good one.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh.
Someone want to switch with me or with you? Oh!
Wow.
Who wants the big one?
Good job.
Oh,
close.
okay!
All right. Quick, get your ball.
Ooh, thank you.
Thanks.
Oh wow.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
One more.
Oh.
Big ball?
There's one left.
No. No.
Go, go, go.
Oh.
I'm over throwing it.
Thank you.
Yeah!
Oh.
Good. Now let's all get back behind the line again.
You not picking this up?
Nope, it's okay. I'll get it after. Now let me ask you: was it easier to hit the objects closer, or is it easier to hit the objects further away?
Closer.
Closer, yeah. And how did the size of the ball make a difference? Was it easier to throw the smaller, lighter ball further or shorter? Shorter, okay. And throwing the big ball, right? Was it easier to knock them down?
It was a bigger thing I could hit things with.
Right, because it was a bigger object throwing
Elephant.
something at a bigger, at a smaller target. All right. The good things that I did see from a lot of people, we were stepping through. Okay, when we were going for the accuracy, we were stepping with our opposite foot, and we were following through and pointing down to our target. The other good things I saw were people throwing, when we were throwing for distance, we were really getting our, non-throwing shoulder forward and really stepping and then rotating our body through, okay, following through, our thumb to our knee. That's what I really like to see from a lot of people. I noticed that when you guys hit the objects further away, a lot of people were really following those field cues, really kind of getting that down, and that's one of the reasons why you guys are successful. So that was really good. Thank you.